How to fix some of these settings are managed by your organization in Windows 11. So if you want to fix some of these settings are managed by your organization in your Windows 11, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now you need to go with your search, and after that you need to search for CMD, and you need to go with Run as Administrator. After that, click on Yes, and here you need to enter some commands. So there are some commands in the description below. You need to go and copy the first command, and after copying the first command, go with your command prompt, paste that command prompt right here. After pasting the command, hit the enter. And in the same way, you need to go with the second command, go and copy, paste it, hit the enter. Again, go with the third one. And once you're done with all of these commands, then you just need to simply exit from your command prompt. And after that, you need to go with your restart. And after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.